According to the National Electrical Code, specifically referenced in Article 330 concerning metal clad cable, often referred to as MC cable, it is important to understand its classification relative to the definition of a raceway as outlined in Article 100. The key distinction lies in the fundamental purpose and construction of each. A raceway, as defined by the NEC, is an enclosed channel designed expressly for holding wires, cables, or busbars. Raceways can be constructed from various materials including metal, plastic, or fiberglass, and may include conduits, tubing, or other specialized enclosures. Their primary function is to provide mechanical protection and a defined pathway for electrical conductors. MC cable, on the other hand, is a factory assembly of one or more insulated conductors enclosed in a metallic sheath of interlocking tape or a smooth or corrugated metallic tube. This construction provides a degree of mechanical protection, but its primary purpose is not to serve as a raceway. The NEC makes it clear that while MC cable offers protection to the conductors it houses, it does not meet the definition of a raceway. Therefore, MC cable cannot be considered a raceway. There are several implications to this distinction. Firstly, the fill requirements for raceways, which specify the maximum number of conductors permitted within a given size of conduit or tubing, do not apply to MC cable. The fill requirements for MC cable are determined by the cable's design and the manufacturer's specifications, not by the raceway fill tables and the NEC. Secondly, the support requirements for raceways and MC cable differ. Raceways generally require more rigid support at shorter intervals than MC cable. The specific support requirements for MC cable are outlined in NEC Article 330.30, which mandates that MC cable be supported and secured at intervals not exceeding 6 feet. Additional support is needed within 12 inches of boxes, cabinets, and fittings. These requirements ensure that the cable is properly secured and protected from physical damage. Thirdly, the grounding requirements for raceways and MC cable also vary. Raceways must be grounded according to NEC Article 250 to provide a low impedance path for fault current. MC cable typically includes an equipment grounding conductor within the cable assembly to serve the same purpose. This grounding conductor must be properly connected to the grounding system to ensure electrical safety. Understanding this distinction is crucial for proper electrical installations and compliance with the NEC. Incorrectly classifying MC cable as a raceway can lead to violations of the code and potentially compromise the safety and integrity of the electrical system. For instance, using raceway fill tables to determine the number of conductors in an MC cable could result in overloading the cable, leading to overheating and potentially causing a fire. Similarly, failing to properly support MC cable according to NEC Article 330.30 could result in physical damage to the cable, exposing the conductors and creating a shock hazard. Therefore, it is essential to adhere to the specific requirements outlined in the NEC for MC cable and raceways. To further clarify the differences, consider the types of wiring methods that are classified as raceways. These include rigid metal conduit, intermediate metal conduit, electrical metallic tubing, flexible metal conduit, liquid-tight flexible metal conduit, and rigid PVC conduit. Each of these wiring methods provides a defined pathway for conductors and is designed to be installed as a complete system, including fittings, boxes, and supports. In contrast, MC cable is a self-contained wiring method that does not require additional raceway components. It is designed to be installed directly with appropriate fittings and connectors, without the need for a separate enclosure. The materials used in raceways also differ from those used in MC cable. Raceways are typically made of metal or plastic, while MC cable consists of insulated conductors enclosed in a metallic sheath. The metallic sheath of MC cable provides mechanical protection and serves as an equipment grounding conductor, but it does not function as a raceway. The NEC provides detailed specifications for the construction and installation of raceways and MC cable, including requirements for materials, dimensions, and support. These specifications are intended to ensure that the wiring methods are installed safely and effectively. In summary, while MC cable provides a degree of mechanical protection to the conductors it houses, It is not classified as a raceway under the NEC. The distinction between NC cable and raceways is important for proper electrical installations and compliance with the code. It is essential to understand the specific requirements for each wiring method and to follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. This will ensure that the electrical system is safe, reliable, and compliant with all applicable codes and standards. Always refer to the latest edition of the NEC and consult with a qualified electrical inspector to ensure that all electrical work is performed in accordance with the code.